key Largo. We're gonna go out, head over the reefs and see if we can do something out there, catch some yellowtails or something to take home. If not, if it's too windy, a little breezy today, but if it's too windy, we'll go back on the bay side and fish for some mangrove snappers or something. All right, the tides are low today. It's a good morning so far. Let's see how this wind is outside. It's a little breezy, but not too bad so far. All right, let's see what we get out there. Let's ride. Lighthouse way over there. That's offshore right there. We don't even know when they're offshore.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's try inside.
Yeah.
All right. Side because Oceanside was a little rough, so we moved over here. We tried another spot that wasn't doing anything, so we said screw it, let's come over here. It's a little more calmer. Wind ain't blowing so hard, so I'm gonna try here to see if we catch some mangrove snappers. Normally they bite here. Normally we always catch some mangrove snappers right here, and then we'll work our way around to like the ghetto and stuff like that. Maybe even Trout Cove. We'll see how it goes. And let's see if we catch some mangrove snappers. The first spot, we'll try here. See what we can get out of here.
Let's go.
Okay, now she got a bite. What's that? Nash is on. Nash got a. What we came for? Mangrove snapper.
Mangrove?
What we came for?
Well, it's a little.
It's little, but we came for. Yeah, they're coming up now. Mangrove snappers. Let's try and see if we can find a big one.
They smell the bait.
Yeah, that's what we came for. We're trying to see if we can find a big one. Here we got a snapper. So I'm gonna sit here and try to get the mangrove snappers out of here. Alright, so third spot. We still only caught like 2 snappers. Caleb and Nash caught 2 snappers. A snapper each. So we're still looking for the mangroves. Haven't found them yet. We're back here in our spot we call it the ghetto. So we're gonna sit here a little bit and fish so we can catch some snappers out of here. We used to catch snappers out here also. For some reason lately we haven't been catching anything out of here, but some mullets.
Maybe it's overfished.
Could be. Could be overfished. That's right. That's what we've been doing lately. I don't know. We used to catch fish out of here. Fish used to bite really good in here. Snappers. Legal. But you know what? This is real life fishing right here. And sometimes you don't always catch stuff. Sometimes you go back to your old spots and there ain't nothing there. What it is.
I don't think your children even realize that you change names.
No, they don't.
Daddy.
But
I don't really care if you change names.
Are we gonna?
I like Rush.
We're gonna hang in. We're gonna hang in here for a little bit and see what we can catch. Another snapper. He's a little one. He's a little one this time. So you just go back. Our snapper hole is not producing like it should, but you know, at least we're catching the fish that we came to catch. We came to catch snappers, and we catch some snappers, but we haven't catch one legal yet. We caught one legal, but I want a little bit bigger. So we'll keep trying in this spot, and we'll move around, check something else. All right, so let's keep going at it. Put a big grunt from one of the trees on it.
Some spots.
Move in a little bit into this canal.
Troy.
Call Caught a big grunt from under the trees. I don't want my phone back.
Peace out, Grant. Bout.
It's a big one though.
Yeah. This big fat grunt. Okay, we
Big
moved.
grunt under the trees. We moved in a little bit.
Yeah, we done wet it a bit because Ghetto was the producer, so we don't went all deep into the Ghetto. We got some snappers back there. Some snappers back there. Some snappers all around the boat. You know, let's just see if we can find some big ones. Big ones to take home.
All right, I'm on another snapper from under the tree right there. I caught this. Oh, I'm trying to do it. I caught this one. Let's see.
Let him jump in the storm.
But I'm throwing right underneath them trees over there, so get bites. Right over here underneath the trees. Right over here, we're getting bites over there. So I'm casting it. Just like that. Alright, we're doubled up. Look like two grunts. Kayla got a grunt. Kayla got a big grunt. I got a grunt. Kayla got a big grunt. That's a big one. It's a giant grunt. You see? Let's see that grunt. Let's see that grunt. That's a big grunt. I'm getting no bigger than them grunts right there. We could have maybe saved some of these grunts and had a fish fry. We didn't catch nothing. We didn't catch some snappers to keep, so I might well keep some grunts. I got one on my line too, so. So Caleb will take care of them. Guess we'll have a grunt fry today. I had another big grunt. I took him off and threw him back. I had a snapper too. Oh, he's kind of small. I threw him back. So if anybody don't know, grunts are pretty good eating. They're not bad. They don't taste bad. They taste pretty good. You didn't know. Pretty good eating. So if you ever catch some, well, I know in Miami they have size limits now, but you ever catch some of the keys, they're pretty good eating. You can keep. They're not bad. He almost lost it. Oh my God, he lost it. He lost it.
What are you trying to do?
The big grunt, he lost it.
What
Wow. I'm trying to hold it. It's okay, Kayla. It's okay. You got it on tape. It's okay. I've lost him too. Listen, hey, this is real fishing. Again, it happens sometimes. All right, Kayla's back on again on something heavy. He on something heavy. It looks like another one of those grunt things. That's a snapper. That's a snapper right there. That's like a legal snapper right there. Don't lose him. Don't lose him. Don't lose him now. Don't lose him. No, he look legal, you think? He look legal. He look a little bit legal. He a little small.
What happened, no?
He a little small.
Somebody else's hook.
Oh, you're in the tree? He a little bit small. We'll probably throw him back.
Oh, you put on that? So you put it back?
Yeah, we'll probably put him back. Let him get a little bit bigger. I'll put him in there. You can throw him back. Let him get a little bit bigger. All right, so hold on. Finally caught him. It's his,
So like,
his first fish in years.
it's pooping too.
Hold the camera.
But it's my third fish and snapper. Yeah.
This is Troy's first fish in years. All right.
Or like a month. Or like a month.
At least the snapper's starting to bite. The fish is starting to bite. Good.
All right.
Hold on. Wait.
What's wrong with the camera?
Put it right down.
I'll turn the camera.
All right, so just trying to pick up a little bit, trying to bite a little bit. So we're just throwing off in the shade over there, up under the tree, up under the mangroves. Just throwing in the shade and just waiting.
I threw it over there.
Just waiting.
Immediately got bit.
Yeah,
Like the
just-
whole group, like my line immediately got bit immediately.
Yeah, we're just throwing in the shade and we're waiting for them to come. That's all we're doing, nothing special. All right, so let's keep it. Oh, they're getting bigger. They are getting bigger. They are getting bigger. drop. I think might be too small. These, oh, it's about 11. About 10. I let him go. He's 10 inches. I let him go though. I let him go a little bigger. Look what we see coming through. Manatee. Big manatee coming through. Big fat boy. A fat girl and her baby. Big. Mama.
After baby.
Be careful, you got teeth, okay?
He has teeth?
Mhm.
He's a baby.
Be careful, you got teeth.
And that little sharp thingy.
Real tight.
Oh, I stuck him good. I stuck him through his mouth, on his tongue.
Stuck it good, huh? Put down, down, yeah. Keep going down. No, the hook. You can grab them tight, bend the hook down. Like that, yeah, there. Wiggle it up. Wiggle it up. Keep wiggling.
His teeth are right there.
I got one too. Wait, we got it for you? He's a baby. I throw him back.
No.
He's a baby. Throw
Yeah,
him
we
back.
have to.
Throw him back.
Throw him back.
Throw him back. Throw him back.
Awesome.
Please.
Get your rod. I had one of my rods. So I'm still on them. Oh, he's throwing out. He's a grunt.
I saw some Balfour.
That was mullet. Oh, it's a grunt. I mean, we're catching stuff to keep. Well, catching fish to keep, but just not the size I really want. I want a bigger size.
Help mine.
Troy, can you tell me my water bottle? It's right behind you. What? Huh?
I'm stuck.
You suck. Because you probably could if you actually tried to. But you didn't.
You're not stuck.
So, God bless you, Troy.
That's right.
I hope you catch a lot of fish.
That's true.
Huh?
You guys really close it up.
It's a snapper grunt, sorry. It's a big grunt. Hold on. What's the rod? It's a big grunt. Oh, that's another big grunt. Man, it's a man hating grunt.
It'll smell the bait.
All hail the grunt gods.
I thought that though.
I see the bait
Give me some bait over there. When a man hating out there.
There's nothing.
Troy caught a fish first time in years. Wait, you got one though?
Yeah.
Noah got one. No man hating on him. I told the man hating, boy. You got a man hating over there.
I get him in the stomach?
I don't know what he got. He's man hating though. He's a man hating. Okay, put it right up. Go over the top, Caleb. Go over the top. Go over the top, Caleb.
Big old grunt.
No. You got a man hating grunt. Oh, there's a man hating out there.
He's hating. He's a man.
Hey man, we keep catching man hating, man. We about to cook them things, man.
You want me to keep him?
Yeah, keep that one for now. We might have to start cooking the man hating grunt. You think
All
man
right.
hating now?
This is my grunt.
Maybe a man hating now, man. You think now?
Me off the. Oh, he pooped on me. I gotta kill you now for sure. You're done.
They man hating now.
You are done. You are done.
Wait, put him in the thing.
Open
Where
that,
is it?
Caleb, please.
They not
Open the
even-
box.
They not even regular grunts no more. They not regular grunts. They man
Freaking
hating
on me.
grunts. No, I got it. I got that man hating on him. Hold on, man. That man hating on him. He's a man hating. Nah, he ain't a man hating. He's a regular snapper. He ain't no man hating snapper. He's a regular snapper. He ain't legal. I throw him back. He pulled like he's a man hating though. He pulled just like a man hating. Stuck in a tree? Why? He out. He's out. He's like, you gave up already. You weren't even stuck yet. Just giving up. Ready to pout and stuff. Right, got a grunt. Keep him too if you want to.
Rip his face off.
I don't care.
Man Hayden.
You gonna eat you, Daniel?
I don't want you.
I'll eat you, Daniel. I like you, Daniel. I'm putting Daniel.
Oh, yeah, bro.
That's from Jack Daniels. You're done, Daniel.
What do you know about Jack Daniel?
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Fish. What do you mean, what do I know about Jack Daniels? I'm a hardcore drug addict.
Put him in fish. Put him in bait. I ain't want him anyway. I ain't want him. Put him in bait. Little snapper. Troy got a grunt. And might start keeping grunts. Gotta keep trying. Good, good.
Hanging around.
Let's catch some snappers, little snappers.
You're showing us how it's done.
Yeah. They're all small though.
Still fun.
It's fun, yeah. Nothing else biting, so might as well play with these things.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So take care.
You too. Good luck.
All right. All right, so I'm gonna give you a tutorial, quick tutorial on how to throw a cast net. How I learned how to throw the cast net. You know, since we're in the water now, I'm gonna show you. See this little rope? Put it around your wrist, pull tight. Make some little loops in your hand, all the way till you get to the top of the cast net. About right there. Get the ring, bring it up. Put all this in your hand. Grab about right here. Okay, right there. Then I'm gonna take some more. All right here, bring it around, put it on my thumb, just like that. Okay. Now, grab one piece of the lead line. Make sure the neck's not tangled. Put it in my hand. I'm gonna count 4 times to the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it like this. So this is what you end up with. And then throw, you're gonna just toss it, and the whole net's gonna open up like this. I almost had some mullet. I wasn't planning on catching them, but I was talking about last minute. Got dolphins over here. Let's see if we can get close up. Get close up on the dolphins.
That's a lot.
It's a whole pod of them. Come back. I want to see you. Come back. Show me your face. Hey, there you go. Don't hit him. Don't hit him. I won't hit him. Get him more the way. Hey, look at dolphins. They gone. They saw me. I'm in shallow water out here. Dolphins, come back.
Okay.
No, get up. Get up.
That was good, dolphin. That's good, baby. There's a dolphin right there. You right there. You right there, right there. What's that? They all right there. Dolphin right there. Look, more dolphins right there. They behind us. Oh no, they're right here. Dolphins like that.
to head back in. We caught our fish that we were looking for today. We caught snappers, but we caught some legal ones, but not legal enough for me. So we throw them all back. So we're gonna head back in and clean this thing up and try again next time. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to this video. Turn your post over. Thank you everybody for all your support. And keep watching. Peace.